Here we are going to determine the greatest common divisor between two or more numbers. And you can see how it is labeled here, GCD, obviously for greatest common divisor. And then enclosed in the parentheses here are the numbers that we want to find the divisors for. And the name is exactly as it implies. We're going to be determining the largest or the greatest divisor that's in common between these numbers. And we're simply going to do that by listing all the divisors of each number and then see which one is the largest. So for A here, we have 12. So the divisors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And then we do the same for 32. 32 is 1, 2, 4, 8, and 32. So then the largest divisor that's in common between the two is right here, 4. So the greatest common divisor between 12 and 32, I'm just going to label it right up here, is 4. For B, we have 25. The divisors of 25 are 1, 5, and 25. And the divisors of 0 are 1, 2, 3, and ... That means this continues. In other words, all integers divide into 0. The result may be 0, but they can all divide into 0. So then the greatest common divisor between 25 and 0 will be 25. For C, we have negative 21 and 48. Now keep in mind that when you have a negative integer, such as negative 21, that means negative 1 times 21. So all we really need to do is find the divisors of the positive result. So we're just going to find the divisors of 21. And it's 1, 3, 7, and 21. And then we'll find the divisors for 48. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, and 48. And the largest one between the two, well, that's 3. So the greatest common divisor is 3. And finally for D, for 17, now 17 is a prime number. So the only divisors of 17 are 1 and 17. And 41 is also a prime number. So its divisors are 1 and 41. So the greatest common divisor for D, that's going to be 1. So that's equal to 1. And there we have it.